Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send invoice on PayPal. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. An invoice, a timestamp commercial document that itemizes and records a transaction between a buyer and a seller. If goods or services were purchased on credit, the invoice usually specifies the term of deal and provides information of the available payment method. Types of invoice may include paper receipt, a bill of sale, a debit note, a sales invoice, or an online electronic record. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create invoice on your PayPal, how to create estimate, and what if you want to send your invoice. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal. You can open it on your mobile apps or on the website. Here's I'm using PayPal website on my laptop. Now from here, I will check on my invoice. You can create an invoice. Click on here. If you want to create a new one, you can just check on my previous video about how to create invoice in here. But I will just using my another invoice I've made before. I will back to my invoicing. So here's my invoice. I want to send it to my customer. So you can click on the three dots over here. You can see there is an option like share link. If you want to share the link, you can just click on share link. If you want to send it as PDF file, you can download as PDF. You can just click on that. Or if you want to print, you can just click on print. Now I will open the invoice. I will edit it. When you just create invoice and you want to send it after you create the invoice, you'll find there is an option send in here. You can just click on that. Now after that, I think there's an error on my PayPal. After that, you can just follow step by step on the PayPal to send the invoice. Here you can also download it if you want to, and also you can print it, can edit. It's very simple, right? So that is how to send your invoice on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.